What's up, Sunny fam? It's Coach D here, and yes, we are doing a TikTok workout, but this is not your regular TikTok. Look, I'm an early millennial. This is the TikTok before there were TikToks, so you're gonna have fun. We're gonna be doing the moonwalk. We're gonna be doing the Cabbage Patch, Running Man, all the cool stuff only. Let's get going. All right, you guys, Coach D here, and we're starting that TikTok workout, but we need to warm that up. All I want you to do is take some simple wrist rolls, some simple elbow rolls, and now some shoulder rolls and some neck rolls, like a little chicken head here. Good. Now we're gonna do some hip rolls, knee rolls, ankle rolls. Hope you guys all caught that. Good. Now just step it out right here. Get that heart rate up. Get that body nice and warm. We're gonna get these dance moves going real quick, okay? Good. Now, last thing, let's just do a windmill. We gotta get those shoulders right. Good. Because if you're a millennial like me, we need a proper warm up, if you know what I mean. All right, so first move, we're gonna do the running man. Now, running man looks like this. Okay, first thing I want you to do is bring that knee up, take it back. Good. Other side, knee up, take it back. Good. Again, switch, back, switch, back. It's kind of like a leg swing. Yes? Good. Just getting you primed. One more. Nice. Now we're gonna practice hopping, okay? Hop. Good. You got it? Hop. Just one side only. We're gonna do 3 hops on each side. See how that knee comes up and I'm hopping on that one leg? Good. Switch. Good. And I'm still learning this because I had a knee surgery. This is part of my knee therapy. So if you got bad knees, I'm your girl. This is your workout. Woo! Okay. Early millennial stuff only. All right. So running man's here. We're going to jump it, right? Looks like that. Kind of like a skip if you guys know how to skip. In fact, let's do a few skips here. Good. Now, you incorporate your hands in the running man, okay? That leg comes back with your hands, okay? So I'm pushing my foot back as that knee comes up. So it's almost like that, okay? Knee comes back. You can keep those feet on the ground. Knee comes up and everything comes back, okay? Knee comes up, back, back. All right? All right, let's do about 8 of them right here. 7, 6, 5, stomach tight. 3, 2, and 1. Perfect, got it. All right, another one here is going to be the Cabbage Patch for an upper body workout. Taking it around and stop, and around the other way and stop. You see how my body moves opposite? So you're pushing away, pulling it out, bringing it in. Again, yeah. And you can even do like a little half, put your own type of style and swag on it, or like my husband likes to say, your swagoo. It's like ragu sauce, get it? Your swag sauce. Put it on there, good. Done with that. All right, now, Orange Justice. This is a new one. My kids taught me, they play a lot of Fortnite. It's a Fortnite dance, but it warms up those knees, those hips, and the shoulders. It's actually a really good move. Up, down, okay? Up, out, out. So you make an X and then down. You can even go lower with this. So it's X, so you see my knees shift left to right. Right? You go whichever way you need to go. Just feel that in your body, feel the move, feel the groove, okay? Up, take it up, open. So it's X, open, take it up, open, up, take it down. See my knees are just going side to side. I'm feeling that in my ankles, knees, hips, core is tight. Even my hands are working. Shoot, even my wrists are working. Look at that, wrist work, wrist, flick of the wrist. Yeah, you put your own swag on it. Now show me your pockets. Yes. There you go, I just added that extra in, you know. All right, this is my favorite one. Now, I work with a lot of older geriatric classes here for fitness. Moonwalk, just the first step, okay? The first part of a moonwalk. I'm showing you the side. Zoom in at my feet, eyeballs, feet. We're gonna take that heel forward. As you drag that foot up, the other foot comes up into a calf raise, right? So it's whoop, whoop, just like that, again. So that first part of the moonwalk, you can call it a glide. So show your friends that glide. You're gonna take that heel up. As it drags through, the other foot comes into a calf raise and then down, just like you're walking, okay? Yeah, so other side, do a few of these. I'm not so good on this side. And then you do your hands like you're walking too. So then you do that one, then you do the next one, and then the next, yeah? Try it again. So we're walking, heel comes up on the other leg, and drag. I'm on a rubber mat, so hopefully you're not. You can do this easier in socks. Taking it 1, 2, 3. All right, cool, practice that. Okay, round 2, chicken noodle soup, my favorite. So get your funky chicken. I like to get my fingers backside of the hands on the hips, and my funky chicken is here. Heel out, elbow out, funky chicken. Some people like to do this, little jazz hands, jazz fingers, whatever they're called. Good, so that's your funky chicken. You can do whatever you want for your funky chicken, okay? Whatever, that's your funky chicken. You do whatever you need to do with that one, okay? That's the chicken part. This is called chicken noodle soup. Another part of that is the let it rain and clear it out. Let it rain and clear it out. Hey, and let it rain and clear it out. Hey, and let it rain and clear it out. Easy. All you're doing is jumping side to side with those feet. It's good for the obliques. Letting it rain and then clearing it out. Easy. Now, soda on the side. With a soda, pop that soda, put it on the side. That's all that is. Pop the soda on the side, right? You open it, put it down, right? Now we're throwing it together. So it goes chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with the on the side, soda, right? And let it rain and clear it out. And let it rain and clear it out. And let it rain and clear it out. Then it goes back, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup. Hey, chicken noodle soup with the soda on the side. Let it rain and clear it out. Let it rain and clear it out. Practice that, okay? So all these moves you're gonna be posting on TikTok, but with me, you feel that workout, you feel your body getting hot, you feel your breath going up? Yes, because me too. Now, the last one, best one, new school, is called Tití Me Preguntó. So if you have that song and you know what that song is, it means I'm asking my aunt a question. My aunt has a question for me is what it means, something like that. That's what this goes to, okay? I'm gonna teach you this. It's choreographed by me, all right? So it's gonna go bicep curl single, bicep curl single. So one on each side. It goes single, single, now double. Single, single, now double. Come on, join me. Single, single, and double. You got it. Single, single, and double. Single, single, and double. Cool. You got that part. So bicep curl, single, single, double. Then it's gonna say, get your phone. Sorry to get all in your grill like that, but you get your phone and you take a selfie and say cheese. Yeah, selfie, say cheese. You switch hands real fast. You could actually have your phone running, so record yourself. Take a selfie, say cheese, hey, right? Okay, that's another move. So let's put that together. I'm gonna just have my phone in my hand. We're gonna go bicep, single, single, double. Single, single, double. Take it down, selfie, say cheese, hey. And then after that, it goes brush your shoulder off 4 times. Brush, 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 brush. Good, see how I drop down lower? Brush, 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 brush. Easy, right? Put it together. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Take a selfie, say cheese, hey. Take it down 4 times. Nice, easy. Now we're going to do 4 bunny hops. We just layer that in. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. You got that? You do a little like a wheelchair move. It's called a wheelchair move. Bunny hop, 2, 3, 4. Easy. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Add it all in together, okay? We're gonna go a little bit fast. Bicep curl, single, single, double. 3, 2, 1, and it goes single, single, double. Single, single, double. Take a selfie, say cheese, yeah. Take it down 4 times and bunny hop, 2, 3, 4. Huh. Easy. One more time, all together, and then I'm gonna add a little quick leg burner in there to layer it in. You can even add that into the dance too. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, it goes single, single, double. Single, single, double. Take a selfie, say cheese, hey, take it down 4 times, good. Bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop. Now leg burner, 1, 2, get in a single leg squat, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're going for 8, 7, 8, switch sides, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Done. Now, post those moves on TikTok to represent your little millennial self, because you did the workout. You're early millennial now, like me. Hey, the coolest ones. Anyways, please like, subscribe, and follow. And don't forget to post on TikTok. This is your girl, Coach D. Until next time, I will see you later. If you've enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There, you'll find more classes from me. I am on the cycle, I am on the rowers, and I also teach dumbbells. Plus, many more from all of our awesome Sunny trainers. If you haven't downloaded the SunnyFit app yet, click the link in the description below.